Imagine opening your bank account and seeing over $1,000 deposited directly by the government. Not just once, but every 3 months throughout the year. If you're a Singaporean senior or have elderly parents, this could be your reality in 2025. The Enhanced Silver Support Scheme is putting real money into the pockets of our seniors. But here's the catch that many people don't know about: you might be eligible and not even realize it. Are you one of the seniors who could receive up to 1,080 Singapore dollars this quarter? Or are you missing out on support that's rightfully yours? Stay with me till the end because I'm going to break down exactly who qualifies, how much you could receive, and most importantly, what you need to do to make sure you're not leaving money on the table. The Silver Support Scheme isn't new to Singapore, but what financial experts suggest is that the 2025 enhancements represent one of the most significant expansions of elderly support in recent years. This isn't just about handing out money. Research indicates that this scheme addresses a real challenge facing our aging population: seniors who work hard their entire lives but may not have accumulated substantial CPF savings for various reasons. Understanding how this scheme works could mean the difference between financial stress and financial security in your golden years. Let's talk about what this scheme actually is. The Silver Support Scheme is a government initiative designed to supplement the retirement income of low-income seniors. It recognizes that not everyone had the same opportunities to save for retirement, and analysts suggest that this reflects Singapore's commitment to ensuring our elderly population can maintain a dignified standard of living. The scheme provides quarterly cash payouts directly into eligible seniors' bank accounts. And these payouts are not loans that need to be repaid. This is support you've earned through your contributions to Singapore throughout your working life. Now, here's where it gets interesting for 2025. According to official CPF sources, the enhanced scheme means eligible seniors could receive up to 1,080 Singapore dollars per quarter. That translates to potentially 4,320 Singapore dollars per year, which experts warn could make a meaningful difference in covering daily expenses, medical costs, or simply enjoying life a bit more. But the actual amount you receive depends on several factors, and this is where many people get confused. The payout amount isn't the same for everyone. Financial analysts suggest that the scheme uses a tiered structure based on your assessed income level and your CPF balances. Think of it like this: the scheme is designed to provide more support to those who need it most. If you have lower CPF balances and lower assessed income, you receive higher payouts. The government has structured it this way to ensure that help reaches the seniors who are most vulnerable financially. Some eligible seniors might receive the full 1,080 Singapore dollar quarterly, while others might receive smaller amounts like 750 Singapore dollars, 450 Singapore dollars, or 300 Singapore dollars per quarter, depending on their circumstances. So who actually qualifies for this support? Research indicates that there are specific eligibility criteria you need to meet. First, you must be a Singaporean citizen aged 65 and above. Second, your income and the total value of your CPF balances need to fall within certain thresholds that indicate you're in the lower to middle income bracket. The scheme also considers whether you own your home and what type of property you live in. Experts warn that even if you own your HDB flat, you could still qualify because the scheme recognizes that property ownership doesn't always translate to having sufficient cash for daily living. Here's something crucial that many people miss: you don't actually need to apply for this scheme in most cases. The CPF board automatically assesses your eligibility based on information they already have about your CPF contributions, property ownership, and other relevant data. If you're eligible, You should receive a notification letter from CPF informing you about your payouts. However, analysts suggest that you should still verify your bank account details are up to date with CPF to ensure smooth payment processing. What if you think you should qualify but haven't received any notification? This is where taking action becomes important. Financial experts suggest that you can contact the CPF board directly to inquire about your eligibility status. Sometimes there might be missing information or outdated details in the system that need updating. The CPF board has dedicated helplines and service centers where staff can help you understand your situation and guide you through any necessary steps. Let me address a common concern that comes up. Will receiving silver support affect your other benefits? According to official information, research indicates that silver support payouts generally don't affect your eligibility for other government assistance schemes. This is designed to be supplementary support, not a replacement for other benefits you might be receiving. However, experts warn that it's always wise to check how different schemes interact if you're receiving multiple forms of assistance. Now, let's talk about what this money could mean for you practically. 1,080 Singapore dollars per quarter might not sound life-changing, but when you break it down, it's about 360 Singapore dollars per month. For many seniors living on tight budgets, analysts suggest this could cover groceries for several weeks, help with utility bills, contribute toward medical expenses, or provide that little bit of financial breathing room that reduces stress and improves quality of life. Some seniors are using their silver support to treat their grandchildren occasionally or to maintain social connections through activities with friends, which research indicates is vital for mental and emotional well-being in later years. Looking ahead, experts warn that with Singapore's aging population, understanding schemes like silver support becomes increasingly important not just for current seniors but for everyone planning their retirement. If you're in your 50s or early 60s now, familiarizing yourself with these support structures helps you plan more accurately for your own retirement years. Knowledge is power when it comes to financial security. If you found this information valuable, make sure to share this video with any seniors in your life or family members who might benefit from knowing about the Silver Support Scheme. Drop a comment below if you have questions about eligibility or your own experience with the scheme. Your questions help me create content that serves our community better. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss updates on schemes and benefits that could impact your financial well-being or that of your loved ones. Remember, the best time to check your eligibility was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. Take that step today.